there's a quote जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, जो मुझे, अगर मेरे को लाउड स्पीकर मिल जाए जो पूरी दुनिया के कानों में जाए, तो मेरे को पूरी दुनिया को चिल्ला चिल्ला के 50,000 बार बोलना है, ठीक है? द कोट गोज समथिंग लाइक दिस. Damn, I forgot the quote. The quote goes, if you're blaming someone else, you're not even close. If you start blaming yourself, you're halfway there. And when you blame no one, you have arrived. And that's just let that settle in. I will say it again. If you're blaming other people, you're nowhere close. When you start blaming yourself, you're halfway there. And when you blame no one, you have arrived. And I look at it, it's so powerful. See, if you want drama, if you're into, I want to make my life a big boss in every single way possible, don't listen to this reel. Why are you even watching? But if you want to live a happy, peaceful life where people exist in harmony with each other, the first, a very important thing is to detach your mind from the point that there is a problem in the first place. Blaming क्या होती है कि कुछ गलत हो गया, कुछ ऐसा है दुनिया में जो मुझे चाहिए जो नहीं है, और the dumbest thing is to be like उसकी वजह से नहीं है, but वो एक दूसरा human है. They are a different whole alive being with their own heart and brain and liver and everything. Like, you have no control over anybody else. So it is damn funny to think that you can blame someone, and then by you blaming them, they will do something which will make the world be in your way. That is outright funny and dumb. ठीक है? They are a whole different life. ठीक है? तो उन पे मतलब वो तो पॉइंटलेस ही है, वो तो सिर्फ ड्रामा के लिए, कि तुम्हें वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं सॉल्व चाहिए, तुम्हें बस उनसे चाहिए कि वो ऐसा कुछ करे, कि वो तुम्हें सॉरी बोले या वो करे, तो वो तुम बिग बॉस खेल लो. बट देन द अदर गोज इज कि ओके, सारी गलतियां मेरी गलतियां, विच इज ऑल्सो इंटरेस्टिंग, क्योंकि देन यू स्टार्ट एट्रीब्यूटिंग एंड देन यू स्टार्ट सीइंग कि मुझे क्या बेटर करना चाहिए था इसमें जिससे ये शायद नहीं होता, विच इज अ यूजफुल टैक्टिक. बट चक्कर ये होता है, एटलीस्ट फॉर मी, पहले क्या होता था, मैं मान लेता था कि मेरी गलती है, वो मैं कर लेता था, उतना मैं पहुंच गया था. बट देन मैं सैड हो जाता था, मैं बैठा रहता था, शिट यार मेरी गलती हो गई, अब क्या करें, गलती हो गई, शिट यार मैं क्या करूंगा, अब मेरे से तो क्या होगा, ये वो ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, एंड मैं बैठा रहता था. एंड इट्स लाइक दैट्स नॉट यूजफुल आइदर. Like, accepting that you could have done better is always useful, but drowning in that sadness or drowning in that guilt is not useful as well. तुम्हारी लाइफ तुम्हारे सामने जो होना था वो हो गया, अब क्या मतलब, रिफ्लेक्ट कर लो कि क्या कर सकते थे, बट ब्लेम करना छोड़ दो अपने दिमाग. लाइक, I think we all collectively as a movement on change.org should remove the word mistake from our dictionary. Legit. So many things would be easier. Let's remove it, and all of it, let's just call it a situation. Let's remove mistake and call it a situation and be like, this is a situation. What are we going to do? This is a situation. What are we going to do? Focusing on what to do next. Way more than what happened and how we are all sad and worried about it. Something that has already gone, that you cannot change, you be worried today, is dumb. The only thing that you should ever care about, if you care about anything, is this is a situation, what do I do now? It's like a GTA game. Like, you have been dropped as Carl Johnson on that road, and now you have to do something. Now there is a mission, now there is something that has to go ahead. There is no past, there is no इसने ये किया उससे वो कुछ नहीं होगा, कोई मतलब नहीं है, सब मोमा है. तो stop blaming people, man. Chill out. It's fun to chill out, man. There is that uncle, I don't think you can see him. Yeah, there's this uncle doing yoga. It's around 10 a.m. at Lal Bagh. He is chilling there and doing yoga. Be like the uncle. Look at him. He's so amazing. I love it. Be like the uncle. Chalo, love you. This is a very long video. I have no idea how I'm going to post this on Instagram. But this is a very long video. And I hope that you have a good morning and a good day ahead. Bye bye.